Just finished the second annual New Year, New You workshop. I'm just feeling really full. Had 28 women in attendance. Lives were changed. Growth was had spiritually, personally, emotionally. We talked about forgiveness. We talked about love. We were able to really get raw with our feelings, looking at ourselves in the mirror and pointing out our personal strengths and weaknesses. We were able to celebrate one another. This is a work that I thoroughly enjoy, and I often say it as often as I can. This job, this work that I do, is an assignment that I was given by God, and it's just such a blessing. I consider it an act of divine reciprocity. As I give it away, it's returned to me. So as long as I live, I'll continue to do this work, and some of the ladies even talked about let's come back in 6 months to see what our progress is, and if they're willing, I'm willing. I'm just thoroughly excited, and you know, I'll be back in 6 months, I'll be back in a year, but I'm gonna keep on doing what thus saith the Lord. Thank you.